Throughout history, humanity has been fascinated by the mysteries of death and the afterlife. One particularly intriguing phenomenon that has captured our imagination is the existence of incorruptible bodies, corpses that seem to defy the natural process of decay. These remarkable remains, often associated with religious figures and saints, have baffled scientists and believers alike for centuries. The term incorruptible refers to a body that does not decompose after death, maintaining a lifelike appearance for an extended period. While the concept may seem supernatural, there are scientific explanations for some cases of delayed decomposition. However, the most famous incorruptible bodies have remained preserved for hundreds of years, challenging our understanding of biological processes. One of the most well-known examples of an incorruptible body is that of Saint Bernadette Soubirous. Born in 1844 in Lourdes, France, Bernadette claimed to have witnessed apparitions of the Virgin Mary. She died in 1879 at the age of 35, and her body was exhumed in 1909, nearly 30 years later. To the astonishment of witnesses, her body was found to be perfectly preserved, with no signs of decay. Today, over 140 years after her death, Saint Bernadette's body remains largely intact and is displayed in a crystal coffin in Nevers, France. Another remarkable case is that of Saint John Vianney, also known as the Curé of Ars. He died in 1859, and when his body was exhumed in 1904, it was found to be in a state of near-perfect preservation. His skin was described as soft and pliable, and his features were easily recognizable. Saint John Vianney's incorrupt body is now housed in the Basilica of Ars in France, where it continues to draw pilgrims and curious onlookers. While these cases are often associated with Catholic saints, incorruptible bodies are not exclusive to Christianity. In Buddhism, the mummified remains of some monks have been found in a state of remarkable preservation. One such example is the body of Luang Pho Dung, a Thai Buddhist monk who died in 1973. His body remains seated in a meditative position, showing minimal signs of decay nearly 5 decades after his death. The phenomenon of incorruptibility has long been considered a sign of divine intervention or sainthood by many religious communities. However, scientists have proposed various explanations for the preservation of these bodies. Factors such as environmental conditions, embalming techniques, and the individual's physical state at the time of death can all contribute to delayed decomposition. In some cases, the preservation of incorruptible bodies may be attributed to natural mummification processes. Certain environmental conditions, such as extreme cold or dry climates, can inhibit bacterial growth and slow down decay. Additionally, some bodies may have been inadvertently preserved through exposure to substances like copper or other minerals with antimicrobial properties. Modern scientific analysis has revealed that many incorruptible bodies are not entirely free from decay. In some instances, the bodies have undergone subtle decomposition or have been subjected to preservation treatments. However, the degree of preservation in these cases remains remarkable, especially considering the extended period since death. The study of incorruptible bodies continues to intrigue both scientists and the general public. Research into these phenomena not only sheds light on historical and religious practices, but also contributes to our understanding of human decomposition and preservation techniques. Forensic scientists and archaeologists often draw insights from these cases to enhance their knowledge of taphonomy, the study of how organisms decay and fossilize over time. As we explore the mysteries of incorruptible bodies, it's important to approach the subject with a balance of scientific curiosity and respect for cultural and religious beliefs. These remarkable remains serve as a testament to the complexity of human biology and the enduring power of faith and wonder. In conclusion, the phenomenon of incorruptible bodies remains a fascinating subject that bridges the gap between science, history, and spirituality. Whether viewed as miraculous occurrences or as examples of rare natural preservation, these bodies continue to captivate our imagination and challenge our understanding of death and decay. As research in this field progresses, we may uncover new insights into the processes that allow some bodies to defy the ravages of time, further unraveling the mysteries of the incorruptibles.